window treatment professionals. We have an exciting new app for you. The FSS Window Pro app from Franchise Support Services is here to revolutionize the way you work. This app will enable you to increase your measuring speed and efficiency. You will remove errors in the measurement process with automatic dimension capturing, and you will be able to organize all your client data, such as measurements, window and room notes, and job site or client pictures in one central location, never having to search for them again. This app connects with a Bluetooth laser device to automate capturing your measurement data on the job. Inside the app, you can organize each of your clients. Under each client, you're able to organize all your data by individual rooms. Inside each room, you can organize all windows unique to that room. For each window, we capture all associated measurements, notes, and job site pictures. If you add a new room, you'll find that the app comes with 42 pre-populated room names. You may also add custom room names to match your job and your preferences. The data captured for each window includes the window name, mount type, all dimensions, notes, and all job site pictures. You can add pictures from either the camera as you work, or take all your pictures during the job and upload them afterwards from your phone's gallery. They say a picture is worth 1,000 words, and when it comes to remembering details about specific windows on a job site, we agree. Are you ready to increase your speed of consultations and technical measures, reduce errors on the job, save money on remakes, and organize your client data to the next level?